Hi, welcome to Strike. We are going to look at price scanners, which is the first segment in the scanners that you see over here. Within that, we have options of looking at either stocks that are near 52-week highs, those that are actually making new 52-week highs, and then stocks that are gapping up or gapping down based on yesterday's price action to today's opening. Now, we can do that with a couple of filtrations. For example, we can actually choose the date on which we want to do the filtration. We can choose any of the last couple of days and then we can choose a basket. So let's just take an example. Say we want to look at actual 52-week highs that are happening and we want to see that in a basket. So we can either choose all indices, okay, so you'll get a long list, or you can choose a particular basket which is say only Nifty 50 stocks. So you have the list of Nifty 50 stocks that are making 52-week highs. Now you may say, well, I don't want to see 52-week highs, I want to see 52-week lows. You can drop down and choose 52-week lows. Well, there are none in the Nifty 50, but if you take all indices, well, I don't see any either. Now you might want to see, okay, what if we were 2 days before? Were there any new 52-week lows a couple of days ago in the entire market? And the answer appears to be a no, right? But a couple of days back, yes, there were 2 stocks that were making 52-week lows. So you can actually do a filtration based on whatever you want to see. So we can come back to the most recent data and we can choose 52-week highs happening in even the market cap. So we may choose that, okay, we want to be in Nifty 500 stocks, and then we want to choose, okay, we want to only look at stocks that have a market cap of 2,500 to 10,000 crores. And we do that and the list really narrows down. So those are the choices that you're able to make. You can make the same choices of filtrations even for stocks that are near 52-week highs. Now, near 52-week highs means that stocks that are within 5% of making a 52-week high or 5% of making a 52-week low within the basket that you have chosen, which is Nifty 500 over here and the market. Now, if I don't want to, I want to remove this, I can simply cross this out and we go to all market cap automatically. Similarly, if I cross this out, it will go from Nifty 500 to all stocks automatically. The third section that we have here is gap ups and gap downs. Now, gap ups and gap downs are when prices open much higher. So we're looking at Nifty 500, we're looking at gap up. You notice prices opened much higher. Now, it's possible that they open higher and also go down. Today was, of course, an up day and therefore you are seeing an up move. It could be anything, but the gap is what it's trying to capture. Now, this is sometimes checked out by traders early in the day. You want to check out which stocks opened with a gap higher at whatever time you want in the morning, and you can actually figure that out by doing this very quick instant scan. And you can choose previous days as well. So you want to see stocks that gapped up yesterday, you can look at stocks that gapped up yesterday. So you see this gap up happening in yesterday's trade price. Now, if you want to see stocks that are gapping down, you simply change the segment to gap down and you end up looking at stocks that are gapping down. Of course, we've kept all market cap and this is 2 days ago. Let's go to today. We have 2 stocks that gap down today. One is MCX and one is Credit Access Grameen, right? So these you can quickly know which stocks are gapping in either direction using the price scanners with multiple filters on top.